In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the search box from appearing on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. Select personalization on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says taskbar. And then at the top where it says search, click the drop-down field and select hide, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.